Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson, and this week on Original Strength, I wanted to show you how to do the cross crawl rocking chair. This is a fun little drill you can do to warm up your abs or make them a little bit stronger while you connect both hemispheres of your brain and tie your body together. And it looks like this. You start on the ground, you can rock yourself, legs up to get going, and then you're gonna touch opposite arm, elbow to knee. So it looks like this. And as that opposite leg comes up, or as the leg comes up, the same side arm goes down. So it's like the gait pattern. This is our walking pattern while we're rocking on our back. And we just touch opposite elbow to knee. And this is it, the cross crawl rocking chair. You do about 50 or so of these, and you'll be highly aware that you have muscles around this region right here. But again, why would you do that? Well, it gives you something new to do, but it's rocking back and forth, so it activates your vestibular system, really good for your whole body. And it is actively recruiting your center muscles to raise that leg up and to cross over the other arm to touch the leg. But you are across the midline and touching opposite limbs together. So it's a cross crawl, so your brain loves that. Helps your brain become more efficient, which overall helps your body move more efficiently. So it is good for your brain, your concentration, your focus, and it's good for your body. It does actually make you stronger, and it's a new, novel way to move. Well, new for some of you. Novel way to move that your body it'll love. So that's our tip this week, the cross crawl rocking chair. Good for your brain, good for your body. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.